Hey everyone, what's up? Are you ready to make a whopping 100 plus a day using ChatGPT? If you think it sounds too good to be true, stick around because I'm about to blow your mind. I'm going to show you 3 proven methods that you can start using today to earn money online. So let's dive right in. But before we start, do me a favor and smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing ways to make money online. Alright, now let's get into it. In this video, we will guide you on how to use ChatGPT to earn money online today and get paid immediately. Even as a complete beginner, I was able to earn a consistent profit of around $30 a day within my first 3 days. Although people currently earn a lot more, the best part is you don't even need any money to start. This AI-based automated machine is built entirely on free software. It might sound too good to be true, but there's a catch. Whenever a new business opportunity arises that requires no investment, people tend to jump on it. With so many people doing the same thing, it's become hard to stand out and the opportunity fades away due to fierce competition. As they say, what the wise do in the beginning, fools do in the end. Although this AI business model is relatively new, competition will eventually pile up and the opportunity will vanish. You have roughly 3 to 6 months to make as much money as you can with this business. Now let me share with you 3 ChatGPT business models. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it's an AI discussion tool that provides detailed answers to your questions using accumulated knowledge from the internet. For all these businesses, you'll need a ChatGPT account. Google OpenAI and click on Introduce. Once you try out ChatGPT, create an account, which only takes a few seconds. Business model number 1, Amazon affiliate marketing and MEDIAVINE display network advertising. The first business model uses a combination of Amazon affiliate marketing and MEDIAVINE display network advertising. To start, you'll need a website, but don't worry, it's easy to create one these days. I'll show you the easiest way to do it when we get to the third model. Let's say your website is focused on improving jaw lines for men. Every article on the site revolves around that topic. If you want to add an article, use ChatGPT for the top 10 exercises sold on Amazon, and it will give you a list. So another business model that I want to discuss involves crafting engaging content that captures people's interest and keeps them coming back for more. One way to achieve this is by creating a comprehensive comparison article, like top 5 wireless earbuds for fitness enthusiasts, for instance. You can delve into the specifics by comparing and contrasting the features, sound quality, battery life, and comfort for each earbud model. Once you have your article, you can post it on your website and monetize it in a few different ways. For example, you can become an Amazon affiliate and earn a commission on any sales made through your link. You can also add display ads from ad networks such as MEDIAVINE, eZoic, Thrive, or Google AdSense. The great thing about this business model is that it can be sold easily. You can list your website for sale on platforms such as FlipUp or Empire Flippers and get a good return on your investment. Typically, you can sell your website for about 30 times its monthly profit. Business model number 2, finding a winning product in a winning niche. Now, the second business model I want to share with you involves finding a winning product in a winning niche. This can be a bit trickier, but it can be extremely lucrative if done right. And the best part, you don't have to come up with a completely new product idea. You can use a tool like ChatGPT to find out what people are already paying for, and then create a better, more affordable version of that product. For example, ChatGPT might tell you that electronics, fashion, and home and garden items sell really well on platforms like eBay and Amazon. The key is to find a product that's small, easy to ship, and has a high profit margin. Once you've found your winning product, you can start marketing it online using platforms like Facebook ads, Google AdWords, or Instagram influencers. Business model number 3, creating and promoting an ebook with CLICKBANK. Rather than simply browsing through the various categories, it's worth taking a closer look at the available options. For example, if you're interested in selling cooking-related products, you can browse through the different offers in that category. However, I prefer to look at the top-selling products that are already popular. In this way, I can leverage the existing demand and start earning money quickly. I've found a list of top offers and sorted them by their gravity score, which indicates the conversion rate of a product. The highest ranked offer is Alpine, which has an incredible gravity score and an average commission of $139.15 per conversion. This means that even a few successful sales can generate a significant amount of money. I decided to investigate Alpine further and found that it's a weight loss product that targets belly fat and body temperature. The research behind it seems convincing and it's clear that the product is selling like hotcakes. I plan to promote it by giving away a free ebook on TikTok to collect email addresses. This is where ChatGPT comes in. I asked it to write an ebook for me, and it provides an outline of 6 chapters and a conclusion. I added my own touch by writing the second chapter myself, and now I have a complete ebook that I can offer as a lead magnet to attract potential customers. The ebook is titled Not Your Fault: How an Imbalanced Gut Microbiome is Holding You Back from the Body of Your Dreams. It's not yet formatted, but I'm excited to see how it performs once I start promoting it. Overall, I believe that combining a top-selling product like Alpine with a well-written ebook is a winning formula for generating income online. To make the ebook look more professional, I plan to hire a graphic designer to create a visually appealing cover page and format the content properly. Once the ebook is ready, I will create a landing page on my website and promote it on TikTok using paid ads. In addition to the ebook, I will also create a series of social media posts and videos promoting Alpine and its benefits. I use persuasive language and create a sense of urgency to encourage people to take action and buy the product. To maximize my earnings, I will also create an email marketing campaign targeting the people who signed up for the free ebooks. I will send them a series of follow-up emails promoting Alpine and other related products. In conclusion, combining a top-selling product like Alpine with a well-written ebook and a strategic marketing plan can be a highly profitable way to make money online. It requires some effort and investment up front, but the potential rewards are worth it. By leveraging existing demand and offering valuable content, it's possible to generate a substantial income in the e-commerce industry. Next, we need to create a landing page to drive traffic to TikTok. Arbor is the best free tool to create a website for this purpose. Once we have the landing page set up, we can automatically send out the ebook and collect emails. Then we can follow up with some persuasive email sequences related to the same topic that the reader was interested in. By promoting CLICKBANK offers in those emails, we can earn commissions whenever someone clicks and buys. This is not just a small business idea for teenagers, it's a scalable idea that can generate millions of dollars every month just by creating content, driving traffic, and promoting other people's products. There are many ways to make money online, and ChatGPT can help you with that. These 3 methods are beginner-friendly, but there are other ways that can be more profitable and sustainable. If you want to learn more about ChatGPT to make money online, sign up for my free newsletter. Thank you for watching this video and liking it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. If you enjoyed this video and found this business model helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos, so you never miss an opportunity to learn new ways to make money online. Don't forget to check out other videos on the screen. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.